5 times 7 gives us 35. And again, 7 times 5 gives us also 35. And 35 divided by 35 is equal to just 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I am going to write here, the rule. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing to solve in equation is parentheses, right? Parentheses is priority number 1. And then we have to solve exponent. It is priority number 2. And then we have to solve the multiplication or division. And finally, we are going to solve addition or subtraction. If we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. But here is where most people get wrong. They think multiplication comes before division, therefore multiplication should be solved first. That is actually incorrect because multiplication and division have equal priority. They are priority number 3, as you can see here. So for this, we are going to solve the problem left to right. So we are going to start from the left and we are going to solve the problem all the way to the right side, and that is the correct sequence because they both have equal priority, right? So let's do the math and get the right answer. So 5 times 7 gives us 35, and 35 divided by 7 times 5 is going to be the next thing to do. And now we have division and multiplication. Since both have equal priority, we are going to solve the problem left to right, meaning we have to solve the division first, not because the division have a higher priority than multiplication, but because the division comes first, and we are going to do that way, that order. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. And 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So the final answer to this question is 25.